Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's question deals with getting a divorce when you have no idea where your spouse is. Before I get started with that question and answer, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, do not hesitate and go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So the question that I got today was, or actually yesterday, was how can I get divorced when I have not seen my spouse for over 5 years and I do not have any idea where he is? My answer to the question is, first and foremost, you cannot be forced to stay married to anyone. And the fact that you cannot find where your spouse is not going to be indicative of you not being able to get a divorce. There are ways that you can get a divorce when you do not know where your spouse is. The first thing that you have to do is your due diligence. You have to make an effort to find out where your spouse might be, the last address of your spouse, maybe addresses of family members, maybe an email or social media, in an effort to try to find where they might be. If after doing all your due diligence you are still unable to find your spouse, then what we must do is notify your spouse by publication in a legal newspaper, and we must post that for 4 weeks in a legal newspaper, letting them know that you have filed for divorce. They then have those that 4 weeks to go ahead and try to answer that notice in that publication. After the 4 weeks, if they do not answer that notice, then you will be granted a divorce by default through the court. So there are ways for you to get divorced, even if you don't know where your spouse is, if you do the necessary steps required by the courts. I hope that this has answered this question. And again, if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, do not hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. And I ask that if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you know somebody who can benefit from this information, please share this information with them. Share the video with them. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.